This is a new badminton shuttlecock you haven't seen before. 3-in-1 shuttlecock was invented by Mr. Jianling Dai. It is a standard traditional badminton shuttlecock made of cock and 16 pieces long feathers. The length of each feather can be from about 62 to 70 millimeters, and the weight is from 4.27 grams to 5.5 grams. The weight of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock, invented by Mr. Jianling Dai, is similar to the traditional badminton shuttlecock, but there are big differences in the design. It is made of 3 parts: a cock, a cone feather stand, and 15 pieces short feathers, about 48 millimeters. The bottom of the feather stand is inserted into the cock. The feather pipe in the front is for the short feather. The difference due to the shortage of one piece of feather can be balanced by adjusting the feather stand parameters. Is the 3-in-1 shuttlecock better than traditional ones after such a big change? There are many factors to tell whether a shuttlecock is good or not. The most important aspects are fly stability, durability, and accuracy of the drop point. How does the 3-in-1 shuttlecock perform in these terms after changing the design and reducing one piece of feather? The fly stability is the deviation between the actual fly track and theatrical track. It is the most important factor to tell whether a badminton shuttlecock is good or not. A high-quality Grade A shuttlecock will not swing during the fly. Also, the fly track is a standard arc or a straight line. We can see through comparisons. The 3-in-1 shuttlecock with angle is 11.8 degrees, can keep the similar fly stability during fly as the mid or high-level traditional shuttlecock. How about the durability? After a short rest, we begin our test. How do you feel about this shuttlecock? This is number 7 shot. Number 8. We can see, though we used our maximum strength, this 3-in-1 shuttlecock is still very strong. It is still firm after 10 shotted. It is still good, not broken. We have tested 10 3-in-1 shuttlecocks in 1 hour with 2 Chinese pro players using their maximum strength. The results are the following. It took combined from 9 to 26 pro player shots to break them. It can average 15 continuous shots. The durability is twice that of the middle high-level traditional shuttlecock. The accuracy is the ultimate standard to judge a shuttlecock. So, how is the accuracy of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock? We put a plastic bucket, which opening diameter is 25 centimeters, on the 80 centimeter position before the net. We asked one player to shoot the shuttlecock into it, forward, and hook the shuttlecock. We also asked one player to shoot the shuttlecock into it, forward, and hook the shuttlecock because the shot is not only affected by the drop point range, but also by the plastic bucket height. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which is 6 piece more than the traditional shuttlecock? What do you think about this result? It is okay. In this accuracy test of 3-in-1 shuttlecock, here are a total of 50 shots and 10 targets. The target rate is about 20%. It is 8% higher than the traditional badminton shuttlecock. It has already passed the accuracy test. The 3-in-1 shuttlecock, which was invented by Mr. Jianling Dai, it was made of 3 parts: cock, feather stand, and 15 pieces of short feathers. What are the specifications of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock? The first one is using the short feather, usually deemed useless to deal with the resource shortage problem and reduce the cost. The second one is using modified nylon feather stand instead of the long feather pole. As a result, the durability is higher. The third, its stability and accuracy are better than the same grade of traditional shuttlecock due to changing its design from 2 parts to 3 parts. It supplies a new choice to the badminton shuttlecock fans. It increased the use rate of the badminton shuttlecock. The middle part of this shuttlecock is made of synthetic material, but it is made by injection, so it is symmetrical. It also will give a very good effect for the stability of the badminton shuttlecock.